Well, the topic for today is subjective truth. I think there are two kinds of truths. There's the kind of truth that you had in your mind forever, the things that you inherited from your folks, perhaps your dispersonality or a traumatic event that scarred you, that made you think that things are always going to be the same as you perceive them right now. That's very common. It's been around since the inception of mankind. Yes, you can eat from that tree. The other kind of subjective truth is the kind that we get from looking at some concept of social media, or perhaps a strong impression that we get from an experience we have that says, this is the truth and I hold to that truth. Now, we know that with subjective truth, our truth, and we should be seekers of the truth, that's something that we have to be concerned about, is that the subjective truth can have consequences that will play out in our lives for literally the rest of our days if we allow it to be so. We must be seekers of the truth. So from that standpoint, I would urge you to not allow history, something that you feel like that can't change, or a period of outside influence that is temporary, perhaps a fad that you're convinced is right, and you find out later on that it's not. Consequently, what I would say is that be a seeker of the objective truth, not the subjective truth, and that takes a lifelong of striving.